Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to make lime water. This will be a full tutorial for flavored water, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have a glass of water and I have some lime juice and I have some sliced up lemons there, but I'll explain why the lemons are there because we're not making lemon water or lemon juice, we are making lime water with the lime juice. But I'll explain why I have the lemons there in just a moment. So the first thing that you want to do is fill up your container. Now you can do this with a glass, you can do this with a big water jug, you can do this with a small glass. It can really be anything, but essentially the more water that you're putting into the container, the more lime juice you're going to have to add in order to make it flavored properly. And it's all up to your own personal preference. You can put more lime juice or less lime juice. It's up to you. I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to fill up this glass right here. Just like that, we're filling it up with some water. Okay, and we'll top it up. There we go. I don't know if I'm the only one who fills up their glass like that. I fill it up, then I pull it out for a second, then I put it back in there just to let the bubbles settle down. I don't know if everyone else does that, but that's what I do for one reason or another. I have lots of water, many glasses of water a day, so I end up doing that oftentimes. Okay, so the next thing that you want to do is you want to add some lime juice to the water. And I'll tell you why the lemons are here in a moment, because there are actually two ways of doing this. So the first way is just to get the lime juice like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to open it up. Just give me a moment over here. Okay, and you just want to add the lime juice to the water. Now you can add as much or as little as you want. I'm going to just give it a good amount of lime juice like that. Okay, so I've added the lime juice to the water right there, and I didn't add that much. As you can tell by the coloration, but I did add a little bit, and it's up to your own. It's up to you. It's your own personal preference. So that we've now made lime water over here, lime flavored water. We can go ahead and we can mix it around. You can use a spoon. I just kind of like to swirl it around like that, and that just mixes it around enough. As you can see, it has a little bit of the lime coloration to it, but I didn't add that much. If you add a lot more lime juice, it's going to be more lime colored, okay? But right now, as you can see, it's just the slightest bit of lime coloration. Now, the reason that the lemons are here is because that's the second method for making lime water. Essentially, if you don't have lime juice in a little container like this, or if you happen to have a fresh lime, you can slice up the lime, okay? And you can put as many slices as you would like to into your water container. And literally, you can just, have the slices like this. I recommend that you remove the seeds. So I would go ahead and I would take out all of the seeds over there. So I'd recommend that you would remove the seeds, and then you would put the lime slices that are where the seeds have been removed, you want to put them into the water, okay? Now, like I said, I'm not going to put these in there because these are lemon slices. I'm going to go ahead and make lemon water separately after this video because I have the slices here. Now, the more water that you have, the more slices that you are likely to need. So when I fill up a really big jug, it must be maybe about 4 liters of water, give or take. And I usually will make that for like my whole family. It's me, my wife, and our 4 kids. And I'll just make that big jug. And if I'm putting any flavoring in it, because sometimes I'll use lime, sometimes I use lemon, sometimes I use raspberries, strawberries, whatever the case is. If I'm flavoring it with a fruit of some sort, then I'll end up using, like, for instance, I would use a whole lemon for 4 liters of water to make lemon water. I would use a whole lime sliced up for 4 liters of water to make lime water. If I was making, raspberry water, I'd probably use about 10 raspberries in a 4-liter jug. And it's completely up to you, but that's just sort of my own method. If I was using strawberries to make strawberry water, I'd probably use about 4 full strawberries. That's it. So yeah, that's how to make lime water. Very simple tutorial. And like I said, if you are using slices, just take the slices and put them in the container of water and you'll be good to go. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.